Well, this is day 4 and things are looking better than they've been. There's no more snow in the trees, which was, or very little left, which was the big concern because that's where all the snapping branches come from. But there's still a whole lot of it out here. It is looking a lot better. Inside, there's been a lot of drying of clothing and a whole lot of burning of wood in that contraption right there. Some work going on when the power's on and on power packs when it's not. Kitchen's been holding up fine. The nice news is that there are no limbs on the top of the house. It's been somewhat of a natural disaster. This room's been partitioned off to save on the heat. My car's been looking about like that. Better again today than it's been in days. There was about 3 feet of snow on top of it before we cleaned it off the first time. Let's see what's going on out here in the breezeway. Bolstered the roof because of the snow load, just in case. And we've been doing a whole lot of that for now 4 days. The sun's brought fuel today because it's been 4 days in running a generator. There's a bag of trash up there that's out of Bear's reach, but he came sniffing around to check it out. Yeah, things are a lot better out here than they've been in a while. Clear skies and warming temperatures. But there's one problem that's happened, and it's that. You see, it's attached to that precariously leaning pole right there. And beyond that, the line is either down or completely stretched. Another one also precariously hanging over it. So at this point, at least one of those trees hit it. And I think it's likely that this is holding up that pole now. And hopefully it's not going to rip out of the roof when the snow melts. So yeah, a lot going on here in the great blizzard during the holiday season of 2021.